Hello everyone, I'm Hitesh and this is a new series that I'm starting out, that is walkthrough solve. So this is a 5x5 walkthrough solve. So this video will only contain one walkthrough solve for 5x5, which is by using the YAO method, which I use for all the big queues from 4x4 till 7x7. So this is the scramble that I have used, that you can see on the screen, and I have even given it in the description so that you can track it out along with me. So before we start, you can even scramble it up so that you can follow along. So I will show you solutions which I would have used in my normal solving. So I normally average around 48, 49 seconds of average, sub 50 obviously. So I currently hold the 5x5 national record single, and I held the 5x5 national record average as well. So yeah, I will just give some techniques which I use so that you might feel it to be useful. So yeah, let's start. So this is a fairly easy scramble, as I would call it, because there are few blocks that I can see. So first thing I can say is yellow. So yellow has this 1 by 3 block, this 2 by 1, and this individual piece. So and this two pieces are there which I can match with this one as well. So what I would do is I would firstly hold the yellow center in the front. I will do a F prime and bring this piece here using L white prime, U prime, L white, and then I will just pair this 3 by 1 along with this so that it becomes a 3 by 2. Now I would just add up this single piece into these two pieces, something like using the M moves, and the yellow center will be done. Followed by doing the white. The white is fairly easy, so I would just make a T. So one corner center is here, so making the 3 by 1, inserting this one piece here, making this T. So a lot of people might know that if you have a T like this and you just get one single center edge, so you can just insert it something like this, followed by doing the last bar, very easy. Now moving to the first three edges. The orange and white is the easiest, so I would just pair them up like this. Red and white is easy, followed by this, and blue and white is like pieces flipped and one piece is here, so I can just do something like this so that our first three edges are also done. For the centers, I would start with blue because 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1. So inserting this 2 by 1 followed by this 2 by 1, and for this case I can just solve it like this. Now for orange, I would do something like again a T case, this individual piece, so I can solve it like this. For this case where it is like edge and the corner centers are like this, I could just do a R wide U2, R wide prime U2, R wide U prime again, so that I can just insert it. While inserting this, I would just insert this green bar as well, so that now again this same case I can just do with the left side that we did on orange. Now for the last cross edge, I would just have this and this. So this paired up, D2, and I will use this insertion, that is very simple. Followed by the edges. So I can see orange and green is good, but I will start with yellow and blue. These two pieces done. This last piece I will insert here, followed by I would insert the orange and green because this is here like this, followed by the red and green, two pieces are here, one is here, followed by the orange and yellow because one piece was there, and followed by I will just switch it because four edges are done, and I will insert two edges at the back so that I can continue with my edge pairing. So yellow and red are good because when I pair them up, I can just bring the red and blue in a way where this pair solves up as well. Now this is a fairly easy case. Insert this piece. Now this is a no parity last two edges case, followed by a simple 3 by 3 stage, obviously with no parity. So this is how you can plan off your 5x5 solutions. I will be surely posting more walkthrough solves of 5x5 and other events as well. So hope you enjoyed this video, got some insightful tips on how to deal with cases, and see you soon. And if you have any queries, let me know in the description, in the comment section, and do follow me on Instagram, do subscribe to the channel, do like the video. Till then, bye.